Hi everyone, it's Neil. Welcome back to my channel. Today we are making one of the most loved sweets all year round, cinnamon rolls. They are especially perfect for autumn when everything feels a bit warmer and cozier. We are going to make a few fun versions of the cinnamon rolls using puff pastry. So here we go. First, let's get everything we need. Puff pastry, brown sugar, cinnamon powder and butter. That's all, nice and simple. Before we start, mix the brown sugar and cinnamon together. Then cut your puff pastry into different shapes, just like I'm showing you in the video. Brush the pastry with melted butter to make a nice base. Then sprinkle over the cinnamon and sugar mixture. You can roll and shape them however you like. I'm making a pumpkin shape, a classic swirl, and a little spiral stick. You need to preheat your oven to 118 degrees Celsius and bake them for about 15 to almost 20 minutes or until they turn golden brown. they're out of the oven, let them cool down a bit. And that's it. Your lovely, flaky, warm cinnamon rolls are ready to enjoy. And that's the final touch, decorating my cinnamon rolls for a Halloween with a cinnamon stick on top.